We are using our Sicilian pizza dough, which has been par-baked, and now we're going to turn it into a pizza. We haven't had ingredients in a while.
We haven't. Yeah.
I like it.
Those are good.
What were they called again?
They're Calabrian peppers.
Oh, Calabrian. Okay.
Good.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought, but I just...
Hard to find good
There's a
help
lot of
around here.
peppers that go through this kitchen.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to just put Bailey and Oliver on the kitchen countertop.
Oh my God, Bailey'd be like, pick and run. Pizza would be gone.
It would be. Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
We have pizza dough in front of us. What are we making?
We do. We are using our Sicilian pizza dough, which has been par-baked, and now we're going to turn it into a pizza.
Yes.
So yeah,
we bought
part two.
So this we have a few of their pans. These pans are made from Lloyd's. Lloyd pans are made here in the U.S. We love them. I'll put a link down below. We don't have a relationship with them. We bought all of them, but they really,
they're a nice pan.
They really are.
They're solid.
If you need pizza pans, you really have. I mean, we like to buy local and American made when we can. They make a damn good pan. We have a Detroit pan. We have the Sicilian, the grandma
This is gonna get
style.
embarrassing if you list them all.
No, it probably will, because I have a problem. So we're going to make a Sicilian pie.
Yeah, very simple.
So what are we putting on it?
So we're going to start with our homemade vodka sauce that we made and have had on that really fun pasta, which I forget what kind it was, but it was very sauce holding on. It was like...
Yes, no, it was a spiral shaped pasta that really
amazing.
Yeah.
It was perfect for a sauce.
Her little sound effect.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna what?
I'm just gonna say we're not gonna show making the sauce. It's already made.
There.
It's right here in front of you. But there'll be a link down below.
There's a separate video if you're curious how to make plant-based vodka sauce.
Which you obviously need in your life.
Yes.
Carry on.
Yep, and then we're just going to use our BioLife mozzarella shreds, some cherry tomatoes, some Calabrian peppers, and some raw garlic, which should be interesting.
Yes, we found these Calabrian peppers. These are...
I thought you were guessing the garlic.
Well, I do like garlic as well, but it's been a while since I've been able to find. I found a Calabrian chili paste, but these were, I found whole Calabrian chilies and sliced. And so we tried them earlier, and they're
good.
They are really good.
They've got some heat on the back end.
Yes, they do.
Not a ton, but enough that you notice.
Kind of like a hot sweet pepper.
Yes, but hotter.
Yeah.
Those are more sweet and crisp than hot.
And then you speak Italian for 30 minutes after you have them.
Right. Okay.
Something like that. Okay.
Let's make some pizza.
Let's make pizza.
So through the miracles of editing, our pizza dough is ready. So let's make a Sicilian pizza. So if you want the recipe and you want to watch the video of how we made the Sicilian dough, we've got a link down below. We've also got a link for the vegan vodka sauce that we're using as our base. Both are great recipes. So we're going to start off. We've obviously par-baked the dough, so it is ready to go. And we're just going to start off with our vegan vodka sauce that we made, followed up by some vegan mozzarella. Today we're using BioLife. Then we're going to put on some fresh cherry tomatoes that we've just cut on the half, followed up by some beautiful chopped Calabrian peppers that I found at a local market. They are so yummy. Add a little bit of heat and kick, but they're the best. And then finally we're just going to add a little bit of chopped garlic, and we're going to throw this into the oven. So our oven has been preheating with our pizza steel and stone in there. We're going to start out on the top rack on the pizza steel for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, we're going to rotate the pizza 180 degrees, drop it down to the lower rack with the pizza stone on it, and cook it for another 7 minutes. So we checked the pizza after 7 minutes, and it actually needed about another 5, but it is done and it looks spectacular.
I'm going to eat this whole damn thing.
I think it turned out really good. It took a little bit for the cheese to melt.
Yes.
But now it's just
and
extra.
It was so crispy when we cut it.
Yeah. How's it on the bottom? Oh my gosh, it's like focaccia.
Oh, look at that.
Looks good.
Get some of that.
Yeah. Cheers.
Sit down and get it.
And it's steaming hot. Now I'm a little worried to take a bite.
I'm going right in there for the pepper.
I'm doing a wimpy bite.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's good.
Wow.
I like it.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
That's really woo.
Be still my heart. So we've never par-baked a pizza before. And
I'm glad it was a little
that pepper is no joke. Wait, what's that? Wow.
Yeah, it's what I had available.
These videos are for children. You can't be drinking on camera.
It's wine.
Oh, it's Welch's. That's right.
It's good.
That bottom is, if you like a crispy bottom, and I think a lot of us like crispy bottoms.
That's good.
Par baking, I mean, this is, wow.
Yeah. But I'm glad it was a little light when we started, because it took a little longer. We're used to things cooking so quick in the uni.
Right.
In the oven, it takes a little longer. And I'm glad we sliced the garlic.
Yeah, I was going to do whole garlic.
I'm like,
and it probably wouldn't have cooked, and we would have, like,
I mean, it's still pretty
killed 9 people.
Bright. It's very bright. But it's good. This is really good. I like this one. You could top it with whatever you wanted to.
Yeah.
Hi, are you two waiting for pizza? Yes, our taste testers are ready to go.
Right next to me.
They've been smelling it through the whole experience and not understanding why they have not gotten crust yet.
They get crust. We feed them pizza crust, not like pizza.
Yeah, just a minute.
But
this is good.
Yeah,
I like
this is really...
I like making it this way. Now I'm curious to
And it's time that we had an introduction. So this is Oliver.
You don't touch the pizza. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, honey. I know you want to catch.
Yes.
Just a minute.
Okay. So you had your screen time. Yeah. So we hope that you've enjoyed watching this. You have to make this. This is really time consuming, but absolutely worth it. And to your point, little bites of time.
Little bites of time. Like,
it
over a number of days, but.
Yeah, but absolutely.
Once your baking day, it's easy.
Absolutely worth it.
Yeah.
This was good. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. If you have, hit like and subscribe. Tell everybody you know. And
be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya. Take care.